Hello teacher, my name is Yanira Buendia Avalos. Today we'll talk about the company Starbucks. Starbucks is an American company founded in 1971 and it is the largest coffee house chain in the world. It specializes in high quality and bakery products. The brand is known for offering comfortable space to start, work, or meet as well as for its commitment to sustainability and fair trade practice. In Peru, Starbucks has several stores located in shopping malls and major commercial areas. Its mission is to inspire and nurture the human spirit, one person, one cup, and one neighborhood at a time. Ambition is to establish Starbucks and the premier beverage of the finest coffee in the world while maintaining war and comprehensive principle. Direct competitors. Now I will talk about Starbucks direct competitors. These are companies that sell very similar products to Starbucks. Juan Valdez Cafe. They sell premium Colombian coffee, hot and cold beverages, dessert and bread products. They have physical store in shopping center and high traffic areas. Dunkin' Donuts. They sell coffee, beverages, donuts, sandwich, and bakery items. The store and kiosk are located in small and commercial zone. Indirect competitors. Now, indirect competitors under that of similar products, but coffee is not their main focus. McCafe, McDonald's. They sell coffee and cold beverages, dessert and snack. They sell sur McCafe station inside McDonald's restaurant. Independent local cafes. They sell coffee, sandwich, dessert and artisanal option. They are small local cafes in urban and tourist areas.
Hi, my name is Joana Puga Morales, and now for the internal analysis, we're going to check the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and also threats, which is important to help to develop strategies, minimize risks, and make good decisions for the success of the company. First, with strengths. A strong global brand with presence and with high customer loyalty. It has actually stores in over 80 countries. It offers premium products, positioning, and consistent quality. Innovation in products and a strong digital ecosystem like the app of Starbucks and the rewards program. Now for weaknesses, we have high prices compared to competitors, dependence on the US market for a large share of revenue, a complex menu, and operations that can slow the service and raise costs, which is very important. Now, for the opportunities, we have growing demand for premium coffee and offer innovating products, especially in beverages. Also, improve their sustainability initiatives that can attract environmentally conscious consumers, strengthening digital sales and delivery partnerships. Now, to finish with the SWOT analysis, we have threats: intense competition from global chains and local cafes, volatile coffee bean prices and supply chain disruptions, and shifts in consumer preferences toward healthier or less sugary options. For an external analysis, we have best to check microenvironment forces that affect the whole microenvironment point. In this case, we already checked that with the SWOT analysis, so we're going to continue with best. Looking at Starbucks through a pest lens, politically, the company is affected by trade rules, tariffs, and coffee imports, and growing labor regulations. Economically, it faces fluctuating coffee prices, inflation, and reduced spending on premium products during downturns. Socially, Starbucks benefits from global coffee culture, but must adapt to healthier and plant based consumer trends. Finally, technologically, it stays competitive through mobile ordering, digital payments, and a strong data driven loyalty system.
Hello, teacher. My name is Marco. I'm going to about the Porter 5 Force and marketing mix. Well, um, the analysis of Porter's 5 Force for Starbucks reveals a significant competition environment. Our saying was influence for is our competitive rivalities, bargaining the bargaining power of customers and the trade of substitute products. Well, here is a detailed breakdown of each of the 5 forces. The first point is a rivalry, rivalry among existing competition high. The coffee and coffee shop industry is highly competitive. Starbucks face intense rivalry from direct and well-established competitors. My competitors, Dunkin', McDonald's, McCoffee, Costa Coffee, and Tim Hortons, each employing different prices and service strategies. Key factors: strong competition often result in price wars and high spending on advertising and innovation to attract and retain customers. Second point is bargaining power of customers. Customers have considerable bargaining power due to large number of options available in the market and low switching costs. Options: customer can easily switch to another coffee shop or coffee alternative if they are dissatisfied with Starbucks price or service. Price sensitive. Price sensitive. Although Starbucks focus on experience and quality, high prices can deter constant, increasing their bargaining power. Third point: threat of substitute products. There is a wide range of alternatives to specialized coffee shop coffee which poses a significant threat. Direct substitute. Other beverages like teas, juice of drinks, and coffee bring and home the office or purchases at supermarkets at much lower cost. Ease of access. The the use spread ability of Swiss this substitute makes the threat high. 4 points: baggage power of suppliers. The power of coffee beans suppliers can be significant. Geographic depends. High quality of coffee beans are grown in a specific geographic regions which can limited supply and gain products some control over price. Starbucks manages Starbucks mitigate this power through long-term relationships with farmers and ethical sourcing programs, but it still relies on a global community with price fluctuations. And five, and the last, threat of new entrants. The threat of new entrants into the coffee shop industry is moderate as there are barriers to entry, but they are not insurmountable. Barriers to entry: significant capital investment is required to establish a recognized brand or robust supply chain and stringent location. Ease of entry. However, smaller local or specialized coffee shops can easily enter to market with a niche focus, although scaling to Starbucks magnitude is difficult. Establish a brand in another in another segment can be also easily expand their offering. Well, with the next point is marketing needs about the the same company. The marketing mix is based on 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. Focus on offering a premium and personalized customer experience, going beyond the simple sales of coffee product. Starbucks focus on quality and variety, offering more than just coffee products. Categories include beverage, a wide range of coffee, teas, or other drinks, and food, baked goods, sandwich, salad, or dessert to complete the drinks. Merchandises, like some home accessories, which generates an emotional bond or promotes to the brand outside the stores. Seasonal innovation, the constant introduction of seasonal and limited edition products keeps the brand fresh and exciting. Next is price. Starbucks use a premium pricing strategy, like a perceived value. Customer associate a higher price with superior quality, excellent service, and the prestigious brand status. And loyalty programs. The Starbucks Rewards program offer discounts and rewards to frequent customers, which foster loyalty and the colored valued data about their habits, place, and maybe the Starbucks, the location is strategy is fundamental to the brand accessibility. And imagine like a strategic location, stores are located in high traffic or busy urban districts, airports, and train stations, and multi-channels. In addition to cycle stores, products are distributed through retailers or websites or mobile apps for adventure owners or home delivery. The next P is promotion. Starbucks communicate to focus on emotional marketing and building a community. Experimental marketing, advertising and public relations, social media and digital marketing. I believe that is the the point that most important, because Starbucks is very active in a social media, interacting with customers, launching hashtags, companies, and generation user customer content to build community.
Hi, my name is Mayumi Kaiko Alejo. Woman Resources. Starbucks developed its employees a strong and good training and inclusive cultures and attitude-based selection. It offers benefits and flexible tools, motivation, and retail staff, making effective communication and evaluates performance with constant feedback. Competitive strategy. Starbucks uses as different shade some strategy outside of offering premium coffee and unique in-store experience. The company creates and evaluates with crafted with areas a typical sourcings of being models, store design, and replace experience where customer can relax
work, or social. Conclusions. Starbucks leads the market thanks to different experience, premium quality, and constant innovation, achieving loyal customers and sustained competitive advantage. The combination of exclusive products, personalized service, and cared who lead the same experience enables Starbucks to maintain a strong customer loyalty.